it's Gus here! Are you ready to color? Today, we're drawing the boy from our Bible story who had bread and fish for lunch. Yum! Alright, let's get started. Let's start with a line here in the middle that curves out like a rainbow. Then a line straight across the bottom, and a teeny tiny line that goes up. Good! Now, draw his ear like this. Then let's finish up our straight line from the top of his ear like this. Next, we're going to draw his nose. It's going to look like a triangle right in the middle of his face, just like this. Now make sure this line right here goes a little bit longer. And then we'll connect them with a curved line like this. There's his nose! Great job, guys! Now for his eyes, we'll draw 2 circles on either side of the nose. Yep, now draw 2 smaller circles inside those like this. And fill those in. And we can't forget about eyebrows. Draw a long oval shape right here, fill that in, and now one over here to the left. Yeah, now he has eyebrows! I think he needs a smile. What do you think? Let's do a curved line under his nose like this. There we go. He looks so happy. Probably because he was spending time with Jesus in the Bible story. That makes me happy too. Now we'll add some hair over here with a curved line going from his ear to the top of his head. And add a straight diagonal line right here. Good job! Now watch close because this part is really cool. We're gonna go up from the line you just drew and make an upside down teardrop shape like this. Then do another one the exact same on the other side. And look, it looks like a heart. The boy also wore a cool hat, so let's draw a curved line right on top of his hair like this. Oh, and now he has a hat. Then go over to the left and connect the boy's head to his hair right here. Great job! Oh, there's one more finishing touch. Freckles. Right here, let's draw 3 little dots. Ha! I love freckles. That looks great. You did a great job drawing the boy from our Bible story today with me. See you next time. Bye!